Hey, Skillbyte here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install one of these magnetic door stops. And we're going to talk about placement and how to make it a little quieter. I'm going to go ahead and put this one so that it covers the old hole. So this piece here just unscrews. Need a pencil. So I'm going to line these up so that it covers the hole, but it doesn't use that old hole. Marking it with a pencil. Poorly. All right, so hold it where you want it. Use a pencil or pen if you want. And mark where you want to drill your holes. Now, the screw, you want a drill bit just slightly smaller than the base of the screw. So if you hold the screw behind the drill bit, you want to be able to see threads on both sides. Otherwise, the hole will be too large and the screw won't hold. Now we're going to drill holes. Drill forward. Try to keep them straight. Now this one, the drill's kind of big. All right, but that should still work. And having it the right direction, go ahead and screw these in. If you find this helpful, you want to support the channel, check out my Ko-fi page. The link is in the description. All right, we'll go ahead and put that on. All right, we're done. Well, no, not if we want to use the magnet part. So you can have this not there. You can have it here. You can have it anywhere like so. And it won't matter as long as it touches, you're still good. So I think I'm going to go, let's see, I'm actually going to go up so that it hits right there. It's wanting to fall. All right, I gotta get a good mark. Okay. It marked. Take that back off. Put this roughly in the center there. Does that look centered? Hopefully. Good news is, if I mess that up, I can turn this 90 degrees and re-drill. So here you're going to do the same thing. Just make sure you don't drill through the door. Okay, we did not go through. Now, screw them in. Now we'll mention this. This is if you have concrete. Don't use this unless you have concrete. These are when you're going through drywall. So if you're putting it up on the drywall, you would use these. I am not left-handed. I do okay left-handed, but I'm not left-handed. There we go. Let's be smart about it, eh? I will mention that drill bit was a 3/32 that I used. angle on this is horrible. Boy. All right, now we have this. Got your spring. And of course, screw it back on. That's all right. Well, there we go. Did it line up right? There. Hopefully you can see that. And whoa. It's just enough to hold the door. Let's bring it back here. It's just enough to hold the door. I can now open it without making noise. And it'll hold. Now it's just barely holding. I say that and then it's holding pretty decent. It's holding there, see that there? It holds good for a bedroom. Well, I hope you found that helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, or leave a tip on my coffee page. And good luck with yours.